everyone, it's Jen at Wakeland with RemarkablyCreated.com. In today's One Take Wonder video, I want to showcase one of the products for you that you'll be able to select with a personal purchase during Sale-A-Bration. Sale-A-Bration is Stampin' Up's biggest event of the year, where we have 2 amazing reasons to join Stampin' Up, and we have lots and lots of amazing reasons with exclusive product to shop from Stampin' Up. Not to mention, it also coincides with the debut of our spring catalog. So let's take a look at one of the choices that you can pick with a qualifying order during Sale-A-Bration. And I will be honest, I've tried this video a few times and I'm finding it, very challenging because this is foil paper, and like trying to get it to show up really, really well in the light for you is just really kind of crazy. But we're going to make the best of it, and we're going to hopefully wow you just a little bit. So the pack of foil paper includes 2 different colors. You have your lovely lipstick and your Grapefruit Grove. And it is a foil paper, so as you can see, it's reflecting the light there. And then the Grapefruit Grove actually kind of has a holographic effect. There are several sheets of each, and they are 12 by 12 pieces that are in that free gift with qualifying purchase. So then here, let's take a look at a couple of card ideas. This card here uses one of our new embossing folders. And in this case, I have the dots going in, kind of like a belly button. We have an innie and we have an outie. And then this one, they're raised. One of the other new products, in addition to this folder, are our rectangle framelets. And again, like I said, this can be a little challenging. And the rectangle framelets are stitched. So those are really cool. Here is another great example of the stitched framelets. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Hold it down a little lower now so you can see that. Our to have and to hold set is perfect for weddings, and this couple actually also coordinates very well with the Artfully Aware set. And then you're seeing a little peek of our laser paper in this one. Then a sweet little Valentine, again using our rectangle, but you're also going to get a peek at another framelit, our heart. Look at that. Of course, you're getting that holographic effect. And you're getting a sneak peek of our gingham paper and our beautiful Calypso coral ribbon. Another Valentine's for you. This one showcases several new products. Again, those heart framelets. The Love, which is one of our well-written word framelets. Again, creating a frame with those rectangle framelets. And then some more of our laser cut paper there on the background. So lots of fun happening on that one. This one, I've got 2 cards, and we'll try to show them to you both side by side. Like I said, the lighting is just challenging on this foil. You're either way too bright and wash everything out, way too dark. I will have still photos of all of these on my blog, and the link will be in the description below. But here you can see the same exact card layout. What I did was I just simply flipped our laser paper over, and it has this really pretty kind of grapefruit color on the back. So nice soft color. Here it's white on one side, and it is a matte finish, so you can also then brayer it, sponge it, spritz it, color it, do all kinds of other things, mush it into an ink pad. Anything and everything that you do to alter paper colors you could do on that side, but you're just showcasing that. This one here, I use the new Crackle stamp that's coming. And one of the cool things is that we have these in-color embossing powders, and we have lovely lipstick embossing powder and Grapefruit Grove in that in-color pack. And so it looks perfect on these papers. And I will be showcasing the techniques and things in a different video. I just wanted to give you some inspiration for some of the products in the spring catalog, but we will be going back in and then breaking down how to make these cards in step-by-step. So you're going to want to make sure that you're following me here on YouTube for those videos. Hummingbird is another sweet bundle that's coming. Again, the Well Said framelets are there. And these are some of our Happiness Blooms enamel dots that I just took a black Sharpie to. And then one last card to inspire you. Our beautiful new large butterflies. Actually, what you're seeing on here, there are 2, actually there's a whole lot more than 2, but there are 2 large framelets that are part of that bundle, that framelit set. They are designed to work together, to layer, to give you that color. In this case, I put the black underneath and had the foil pop on top. Here again, you can see the Grapefruit Grove embossing, but you can also use them alone. You can cut them apart. You cut them apart, you've got 5 beautiful butterflies to work with. And then of course there's smaller and other pieces in that. And then a beautiful piece of our vellum from the Floral Romance suite that's coming. A couple of you have seen my video, and a lot of you have responded very well to my product shares, my product offering. And in my product share video, I mentioned that the first 30 who ordered the pack that included full-size sheets of coordinating cardstock, 25 sheets in all, would receive a sampling of the celebration papers as well as the coordinating celebration ribbons. And like I said, you guys have responded really well to my offering that I am now also going to be including the Grapefruit Grove and the lovely lipstick foils, a piece of each, small piece of each, but a piece of each so you can sample them in your larger sampler. And that's for the ones that are purchasing the one that's the ribbon, embellishments, designer papers, and coordinating cardstock. I do have 2 shares, one without all of the extras. And again, these are available only to those of you in the US. I have a link below. You can request a copy of my newsletter that has the full details, pricing, as well as easy ordering links. I am placing my first product share in the wee hours of January 3rd, so there's still plenty of time to get on board with that. Also, one last reminder, I know I've said this in quite a few videos lately, but I want to make sure that you don't miss out. If you do not have a demonstrator that you work with in the United States, I would love to be your demonstrator, and I would love to provide you with a complimentary copy of our catalogs, both our spring catalog, our celebration, and if you also do not have our annual catalog, I would like to get those in your hands. And again, that's for customers who do not have a demonstrator that you actively work with. I would love, again, to be your demonstrator and support and encourage your creativity and your crafting. So use the links in the description below, and I look forward to January 3rd, the launch of these, and sharing lots of ideas and breaking down those cards and creating them for you guys. Take care.